Hey guys, Brian Horton with BK Forex Academy. We are going to look at AUDCAD for this week here. So I'm hoping you guys will trade this with me. We're going to break it down and I'm going to provide you with some steps so that you can understand my way of trading and what I'm going to predict looking at this particular pair. So I want you guys to drop in the comments, what do you think as well? Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, guys, so I already have my chart marked up. First things first, number one, you always want to start on the higher time frame. Regardless if you're scalping, intraday trading, swing trading, position trading, always start on the higher time frame because we're looking for directional bias. We want to have a bias as to which trend that price is going. So even if you mess up per se and go the opposite way, more than likely, if you were to swing trade, price is going to continue in that trend. So if you're counter trend trading and let's say you got in at a bad position, you can more than likely hold it and price will continue in that trend eventually. But that's not the overall reason why. We want to have a bias because it helps us overall as to which direction price is going. So I have a downtrend here where price was shooting to the downside for weeks. I'm on the daily. You can start on the weekly or the monthly, but overall, our goal is to see the overall picture of the market compared to where we're at now and where we can go overall. Okay. So I have my chart marked up here. So we were in a downtrend. Price came to this major support level. It shot up past our channel resistance level up to our horizontal resistance level right here. And then it came back down, now sitting at support. So another thing is we want to identify our levels. We have major levels and minor levels. Major levels you will find on a higher time frame like the daily, weekly, or monthly. Here's a major level. It sticks out. Okay, it's easy to identify because we have a point and it shoots the opposite way quickly. We have a point, shoots the opposite way quickly. Same here. We have a point, shoots the opposite way quickly. And when we have multiple points at a same area, that is called a major level. Here's one here, two, and we have a cluster here. And if we continue to go to the other side, we will see it as well. Here's a support level where we see price sat on this line, shot up, sat on this line, shot up, sat on this line multiple times, shot up here. Okay, so we identify those levels. You want to mark that before you do anything else. That's our support and resistance level. Now we see price shot down to our support level here. One or two things are going to happen. We're going to see price either shoot to the upside, right, to a minor level. Here's a minor level. Our minor levels are points that we see shoot to the opposite direction in between our major levels like this here and this here. Okay, you usually can find that on the lower time frame. Now that we've identified that, price is going to shoot to the upside, one, or it will consolidate. Okay, and consolidating means going sideways, kind of up, down, up, down, up, down before it shoots up, or price may consolidate up, down, up, down, up, down, and shoot to the downside, right? So typically, if price consolidates and move up, down, up, down, up, down, usually in small little candles like this one here, or medium-sized candles, that means buyers and sellers are trying to figure out what they want to do. They're at a major level, they're at a stop sign, which is our support zone here, and now they are waiting to see if they want to go back home or continue to go forward. Okay, so when we see consolidation, that means price can definitely shoot down or it can shoot up. If we don't see consolidation, we see a pure white candle headed to the upside, let's say Monday or Monday evening, more than likely price is going to continue to the upside. Okay, and we see each candle represents a day in time, so that gives you kind of how long it'll take you for price to get from here to this minor level here or this major level here. Okay, it lets you know how many days it will take to get to those particular levels, estimate. Okay, so that is one. So what I'm going to do myself personally on Monday, because I like to start entering trades, either swing trades, either Monday or Tuesday. If I'm intraday, I don't like to get in on Monday or Fridays because the market can move kind of weird. But if I'm swing trading, I will enter here with a low lot size where price is currently at. But one or two things can also happen here, according to where price is at. Okay, so price can come down and do something like this. It can come anywhere within this red zone. And that's why we like to draw these rectangles here, because it gives us enough buffer room for price to come down a bit and go negative a bit. And that's completely fine, just as long as you're risking your risk management is on point. Okay. So if price happens to come down here, like it did multiple times here and even right here, I'm fine with that. I already know that. And before price moved to the upside. So a low lot size here, or you can wait to come down. If you wait, you're running the risk of missing the trade completely. Okay. So I'm going to enter a low lot size. If it happens to shoot down, I'm going to enter one more low lot size. So I'll be in a position twice, hoping that price will come to the upside. Okay. If price doesn't come down here, all right, another thing, like I said, is consolidation. So if we see a lot of small candles doing something like this day after day, you probably want to wait because it can shoot down or shoot up. That is a breakout trade. Typically, before a trade breaks out, it will consolidate a bit and move sideways, not knowing exactly what's going to do. It's like your trade is under pressure. And then once that pressure is released, it's going to shoot up or shoot down really, really quick. Okay. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to enter this trade with a low lot size for a buy limit, with the market execution here, and then a buy limit somewhere within this rectangle. So just to kind of give you the numbers, right now, price is currently at 0.89310. And then in this red rectangle, anywhere between 0.890 something. Okay. Now, another thing you want to do before you enter, and I've already looked at this, is go to forexfactory.com or anywhere where you can find your currency news. So as of Monday, August 22nd, I'm looking for any currency that has a red or orange folder with the Australian dollar stamped on it or the Canadian dollar. I have the Australian dollar right here multiple times, but it's low impact. Yellow is low impact, meaning it doesn't quite affect the currency that bad. I don't see anything. Well, for the Canadian, it's also yellow. If I plan on swing trading this, I'm going to also look at Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm looking for the Australian dollar. I see yellow for the Australian dollar. I see nothing for Canadian. Now I'm looking on Wednesday. Yellow for Canadian dollar, nothing for Australian dollar, right? So that lets me know that everything should go according to plan, according to price action, support and resistance. I don't think that there's anything that's going to happen major because the news said that this currency is not going to be affected that bad. Now, something can definitely pop up. So you want to check your Forex Factory or your major news source every day, just in case something pops up. But it's good to, if as a swing trader or an intraday trader, to look at this at least a day before. All right. So that is my analysis, guys. Overall, again, you want to look at the higher time frame to find your directional bias. Price broke through this resistance channel, tested our horizontal resistance, came back to support. And we know that when a trend starts, it usually begins at a major support level or a major resistance level. If you're looking for a downtrend, it will shoot up, it will pull back, and it will continue that pattern for weeks, for days and weeks to come. All right. So it will look something like this and then continue to the upside. Okay. So that's what I'm looking. And I love to get in at the beginning of a trend because I can hold it for a long time, like an investment almost, swing trading or position trading. Guys, let me know in the comment, what do you think? Do you agree with this analysis? Anything that you will add, anything that you think that I missed is definitely welcome. If you are a struggling trader and you need your hand held because trading is definitely lonely, I want you guys to join our Telegram. We will definitely motivate you, send you trade ideas just like this. If you need your hand held even more, we recommend you joining our academy so that you will be in our personal chat group with other like-minded traders, just like yourself and like us, where we are heavily active and let you know what trades we're taking right on. If you have a question about your trades or how to trade, we will answer it. And we usually answer within a few minutes. Check out our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to emphasize that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment and we will see you in the next video, guys. Take care.